Okay, good night everyone. We are from team Disadvantage of Social Media. Before we start our presentation, I'd like to introduce myself as a moderator of the group. My name is Aswin with student ID number 1840 and my friend Darmo Ansi Maulana with student ID number 1838, Lovina Aprilia with student ID number 8037, and Ahmad Bagus Irawan with student ID number 8039. We are here to present our work about disadvantage of social media, and the first slide will be explained by Darmo Aji Maulana.
Okay, thank you, Aswin. I will explain about disadvantage of social media. Social media is a platform that we use every day and spend much time on them. Therefore, it is necessary to know the basic information about disadvantages of using social media. Our research deals with social media and their perception of the general public in Indonesia. It's summed by the survey which social media people use, for what purpose they are used, and how they perceive positive and negative aspect of using social media. After analyzing the opinion of social media user on the disadvantages associated with their use. Introduction of social media. Social media are very often lately solving them and also have great popularity among users. Therefore, it is interesting to discuss the problem of perception of their social media users. Our research focused on the specific use of social media and perception of the disadvantages of using it by respondents. Back to Aswin.
Okay, thank you Darmo Aji Maulana, and next slide will be explained by Lovina Aprilia.
Okay, thank you, Aswin. Disadvantages of social media. Social media is a platform that we use every day and spend much time on them. Therefore, it is necessary to know the basic information about the disadvantages of using social media. Our research deals with social media and their perception of the general public in Indonesia. We examined by the survey which social media people use, for what purpose they are used, and how they perceive the positive and negative aspect of using social media. After analyzing the opinion of social media use on the disadvantage associated with their use. Next slide. Use of social media in Indonesia. In the first part of the questionnaire, survey will investigate in the use of social media which one are used and for what purpose. We will want to find out action of the use of social media in this area. This on which we would like to identify to most use social media. Back to Aswin.
Okay, thank you Lovina Aprilia, and the last slide will be explained by Ahmad Bagus Irawan.
Okay, thank you, Aswin. Next, disadvantage of social media. The biggest drawback, according to our respondents, is internet addiction. This claims 72.2% of respondents from the Europe countries. It is followed by lack of security, 61.1%, information overload, 58.3%, and loss of social contact, 47.2%. Next. Okay, conclusion. Following research in the literature, we have identified several disadvantages of threats to which participants were asked. We have identified a survey in the literature dealing with this issue. From the large number of disadvantages of using social media, we selected the following we offered as a choice for respondents. This include lack of security, internet addiction, information overload, loss of social contact. The biggest disadvantages by 72.2% of respondents from Indonesians, internet addictions. It is followed by lack of security, information overload, and loss of social contacts. Another disadvantage of using social media is as follows. For example, a major drawback is the increased percentage of time spent on social media. Back to Aswin.
Okay, thank you very much, Ahmad Bagus Irawan. And that's all from us. We are sorry if there's a lot of mistake and error. I hope this presentation can be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention and see you goodbye.